Good afternoon. Wanted to do a quick review of my barrel sauna that I bought on Costco online of the Almost Heaven barrel sauna. This is the 4-person model with the electric heater. I also wanted to show you how to hook the heater up to Wi-Fi control for under $70. First of all, this is a great sauna. I highly recommend it. And I'll show you how I hooked it up to Wi-Fi. This can all be bought on Amazon. First of all, I got this little waterproof control box that I mounted to the side. And I used a smart controller that you can buy on Amazon, which is plugged into 110 voltage. And that controls this contactor, which controls the heater at 220 volts. So I can open my app on my phone, turn on this smart plug, and it will turn on my sauna from anywhere, and it will stay on. Here's the smart plug, Casa Wi-Fi smart plug. Get on Amazon, you can get 2 of them for about 20 bucks. And here is the contactor, which I also got on Amazon, Packard. And there's the part number. Only about 15 bucks, I believe. As well as this waterproof box, which was just over 20 bucks with some latches. So if you're buying one of these, easy to set up. Like I said, I think I spent $64 on it. I also installed an outdoor plug that I run my LED light on, and also controls my heater on and off switch. I also bought a custom tarp online. I'll leave the link in the information below. It's from Covers and All. Now this custom tarp is very heavy. It's held up very well. It's reinforced with webbing on the edges and has the eyelets that I just used some paracord to tie around the sauna to keep the moisture and sun out of. And it has been great. Highly recommend it. That was only about 75 bucks. I think Almost Heaven wants like 300 for a cover. So I definitely recommend that. A couple more tips is on the inside, when you mount your heater, mount it pretty low. This will enable it to get a lot warmer in here. And also I mounted the thermostat quite low as well, so that I can actually make sure that it gets as hot as I want. I can get this sauna over 200 degrees, no problem. I typically run it about 180, 190. Takes about an hour to get up to temp. But once again, highly recommend this sauna. I use it almost every day. This is the website I use for my tarp, Covers and All. I spent $76 including shipping, and I ordered the tarp at 6 feet by 9 feet with reinforced webbing and eyelets. It's working great so far. This is the smart plug I bought on Amazon, 20 bucks for 2 of them. I can control it with an app on my phone from Casa. It works great. I can turn it on anywhere, and by the time I get home, the sauna is hot and warm, ready to use. This is the electrical box that I bought off of Amazon for $22. It's able to fit everything I need to inside in a nice, tight, concise package. Keeps everything organized and dry. Would highly recommend. This is the contactor I bought off of Amazon. It allows you to control your heater, which is 220 volts, with a 110 volt smart plug. I'm not an electrician, but it was easy to hook up and seems to be working great. One more thing to add is that you'll have to make a modification to the timer switch because it will only stay on for an hour. So what I did is I drilled a hole and ran a screw through the knob, and then on the back side I drilled through the first layer so that screw has something to sit in, and that allows the heater to stay on indefinitely, and you can control it through your Wi-Fi indefinitely. Well, if you have any questions about my setup, how to wire it, how to build it, where I got the stuff, please leave a comment below. This sauna I can't recommend high enough. It was affordable, the quality is great, it gets plenty hot enough, and adding the Wi-Fi control has been a game changer. Being able to turn it on wherever I am and have it ready when I get home has been awesome. It does take about an hour to get up to the 170 to 180 mark where I typically run it, but I have seen many health benefits and I look forward to using it every day just about. Leave a comment below, tell me what you think, and have a great day.